What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dadlife. In this video I'm going to show you, does Plasti Dip properly peel? Let's see. What's up, dude? There's Get it. Alright guys, so this is a shelf that I Plasti Dipped about 4.5 years ago. I guess almost 5. This July it'll be 5 years. Now of course it wasn't outside elements, but it was just a simple, you could see, wooden shelf. Plasti Dipped the front, basically anything you could see. I did base coat black. I mixed, I think back then it was pearls. Here's my cat. Pearls in, I think it was half glossifier, half matte clear. The OGs remember. I think that's what it was. It was before dip pearl top coat and all the crazy awesome stuff now. And you can see you got a nice shine. But unfortunately, we took it down, and the other day somehow the girls managed to break every hook. And unfortunately, my wife doesn't want any more. So why not peel it? So let's see. Let's put section started just to make my life easier. Better video quality. So here we go. Let's peel it. So you can see I used the white base coat. And look at that. Again, this is old school Plasti Dip. I did use a spray gun. If I remember right, I used a spray gun for the pearls because I had the dip spray system. But I used just simple white Plasti Dip cans. Again, old school aerosol. And I'm not even joking here. This is how it works. When you apply it right, you should never be able to see through it. Strong, solid. And I know some people that have never used Plasti Dip might say, well, it's because it was inside the house. Wrong, it will last outside. So let's get the rest of this peel. Alright guys, hopefully you can see this. Here is the peeled product. I didn't get in the grooves yet, but actually came up with the idea, instead of tossing this, I'm going to repurpose this for the garage. I'm going to tape it off, kind of do something like an American flag kind of design, since we already got the stars. That was a hard word to come up with. We already have the stars, so I'm going to kind of do an American flag design. I also have push rods, stock valve springs. I can't think of anything else from the Corvette when I did the cam swap. So I'm thinking maybe I could put some push rods on here, or the valve springs as hooks, and maybe make like a key holder, you know, something kind of cool for the garage. So I'll do that in a later video. But once again, Plasti Dip does peel when properly applied. My words are hard to come by some days, but thank you again for watching Dadlife. If you're enjoying the content, please like this video, like all the videos, go check them out. I just created some playlists to make it a little easier and more user-friendly to navigate the page. Again, it's all a learning process, but I'm trying to get better with each upload. Please hit the like button, and if you have not yet, please subscribe. To all the subscribers that are following along and enjoying this, stay tuned to the next video. Once again, this is Dadlife. Al.